That's pretty great.
Who's the best cutman?
You see this elbow? Better to strap at this.
What's up, girl? This is 2-inch pipe.
So this is wrong. Gotta be long sleeve.
If those things not on the same elevation, your square will throw you off.
Only thing what we gotta do, just sit and wait. Put some chicken, put some garlic, some, extra cheese. Just poke it like that.
Get your camera out of my face.
Just now inspector show up. We don't pass. We don't pass.
What is going on?
Hey, good morning, bro.
Good morning, guys.
So, this is fire line. I'm holding right here. It is heavy pipe. It's not so flexible. So, I'm holding my boys rolling the pipe in a trench. So usually we put this first because it's pain in the ass. And after that one, we'll put in the same trench, we'll put domestic water, 3/4 water line. Gauge all right here. We gotta fill it in with air, okay? Huh? Good. Your head.
Get your camera out of my face.
A lot of action here, boys.
This is 2-inch pipe, okay? 2-inch pipe underground for fire sprinkler, okay? We'll do transition. You can see it right there where's the gauge for 1 inch, okay? So we are come up right now underneath the house.
Good morning, Serge. Good morning. I got coffee. Let's do coffee and Donald's. Cheese Danish. Cheese Danish. Drink coffee right here, Andre. To here. The water can come up here. You gotta raise it a little bit.
Raise it up,
like that.
okay.
You see this elbow? Better to strap at this.
2 more strap.
Yeah. So add it. Don't be crazy, but add it. And here it's 8 or 10 feet strap. Yeah, like right here, this is weak spot as well. Okay, you see? Better to add it one more here. Like watch here, brother. Watch.
Yeah.
It's like 20 feet, only one strap. It's not no
Just
good.
put it 2 more, right?
2 more.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Who is the best gunman? Who is the best cutman? Who is good with the skill set? Okay, so let's do this. We're doing it as an experiment for your framing crew. Okay, we are going to do teamwork. Nobody's framing the wall individually like you used to do. Okay, you're going to be gunman. You're going to be cutman. When you're done cutting, you pick up the gun and help framing. You're going to be framing only. Okay, you and me will be carrying stuff, spreading it, getting the stuff ready.
I just arrived at Stockton here. Let's see what they're doing. Huh, they're chilling.
Не надо снимать.
They're chilling. What is going on?
Hey, good morning, bro.
Good morning, guys.
YouTube.
What is that? Amber Alert. 2004 Gold Chevy. Okay.
So, угнали машину? No.
Rams! Ubranie Rams! See, alarm for Rams.
Usually kidnapping, but it's not a kidnapping. It's like father and husband and wife fight. So one of them grabbed the child and drove away.
Yeah.
So they say kidnapping, but it's not.
And you show the big to me, take Andre and go away. He'll be saying, I don't want to go. I want to stay with my computer.
He wants to stay at the computer. We were talking about the fire. He's like, I don't know how I'm gonna get all my computers. That's what he's worried about. Not Coco, not his computers.
Я еще ни одной игры не прошел, даже Марио даже не играл.
У тебя
Никакой, никакой.
right here, Mario.
This guy
Right
don't
here.
know what I'm talking about.
We have a game here, Lego. Let's put everything together.
So this is the gauge. We just protect it with tape so it doesn't break. And we've got to fill it in. You can start fill it in. 80. One time he fill it in the sewer. It's supposed to be 5 psi. He fill it in how much? I don't know. I don't know. The pipes blow out. This is 80. 80. 80. So fire line 80, sewer 5, and water 80. Sewer 5.
Start taking the wall on this side. Okay, you're ready to go. Go. At the initial start, there is a lot of room to walk, but in this particular case, the house is too small. We don't have any storage on the sides. That's why all lumber piled up on the same pile. So it will take a few minutes, couple hours to clean up the mess, and we should be rolling the faster. But right now, you know, we're repacking the package basically. At the lumber yard, they're not framers, so they don't pack it accordingly. They don't know what comes first.
So I got this property line.
Yeah.
So you work from one line.
Okay.
So you got this. This one is dead.
Yep.
It's not moving.
I got you.
So you got 24 feet, точка. So you have 40 feet, you run another line, в эту сторону. But the trick is, if those things not on the same elevation, your square will throw you off. Will throw you off. And then you go, let's say over here 40, you take 1 point, you just сюда, on the calculator, it's like run, rise and run, then you come back, boom, boom, and then you have square.
Square.
And from here you work the other lines.
Okay.
This indicates that we will be digging on this side.
Those marks mean, what's your name again?
Andre. Andre, like Andre.
Oh, you're Dr. Dre.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, Dr. Dre. See, those marks means you're gonna be
Digging on this side.
On this side.
Okay.
So that's why you try to stay on one line, but you know which side you dig on.
Okay.
So if this is right on the line, so 1 tooth
Yeah.
will come outside of this line.
Okay, I see. Better.
When you're gonna be digging,
Yeah.
you're the one. They have to mark it as how comfortable for you.
Okay.
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
So you're the one who's gonna be telling them how to mark it. So you have to get used to it to one style.
Okay.
And one style is like one line. And they'll teach you why.
Okay.
So inspector's still not here. I'm glad, you know, we have time. It's gonna be 2 different inspectors. The building inspector is gonna be from El Dorado County, okay? And utility inspector for underground utility. It's totally different department. So we gotta pass, after pass, same thing, like I said.
What we'll do layer by layer with compaction, with water. We have compactor there. We'll compact the dirt layer by layer, and we'll start to level out this area.
Пошли сюда.
Да.
От линии.
Да, вот тут, вот так держите.
Ага. Так, держу.
Вот это делай.
Держу.
Окей.
Don't put any knot in the middle. If the plumbers start working, they will have to mess up their blade drills. So we want to secure the wall.
Oh my goodness. You know what? I forget we gotta install the shut-off valves. It's not in yet. You see, professional. Everything gotta be open, Bryce. No, wait.
Open. Has to be open.
But what about down hole? Yeah, it's
Yeah,
open.
because if you close, then the hole opens.
Yes, gotta be open, right. But this one gotta be closed.
Yeah, that one's closed.
One on each side of the channel. See, there's 5.5 for that wall. So you got backing for drywall.
So 4.
Right here, yes.
4 of them.
With 4 studs.
Right here, guys. Yeah, it's recording. Right here, you see? You just poke it. Right there. Just poke it like that. So we're ready for inspection, right? Yeah. Awesome. Hey guys, we're ready for inspection. Well done. Good job. Sewer it's done. Fire line is done. Domestic line is done. So, only thing what we gotta do, just sit and wait. Hey guys, you want a coffee or pizza, whatever you want it? Pizza? Okay, let's order it. Domino's. No, let's do a round table. Advertising.
We're not building a piano, once again. I mean, that's it. When they get it up. Don't invent the wheel. It's already spinning.
Is he being too precise with his measurements or what?
Lack of experience.
So
He
he's
was saying, sometimes you need to do the frame, sometimes you need to do the piano. So
Yeah.
at this moment, he's measuring the bolt too tight to cut it out. It will impact lifting the wall. So if you get it loose, 1/4 inch plus minus, it doesn't matter because it's on the bottom plate. It
yeah.
doesn't affect anything else.
He's taking the finished carpentry approach, yeah?
Yes. With this approach, you'll be framing this house for a couple of weeks. Our goal is to get it done today in one day.
Yeah.
What's up, girl?
What's up, милый? Ты прошел инспекцию?
No, we just finished for inspector. We're ready. So, my boys want a pizza, okay?
Okay.
Pizza, put some chicken, put some garlic, some, extra cheese. Let's celebrate. Girl, I miss you, you know?
Miss you too.
Yesterday you're so rude to me, man. You're so rude. You're so rude. I don't know what's going on. I try to give you love. You're on the camera, girl. Okay.
Hey, I love you. Слышишь? I
Yeah.
love you very much. Forgive me, пожалуйста.
Yes. No, you gotta forgive me first. Man, guys, just now inspector show up. We don't pass. But I still waiting the building department. We don't pass because we put, you see this Y cleanup right here. This is cleanup. It's Y. Have to be long, not short one. So my boy did it mistake, but totally fine. We are human. We can do mistakes. So Eli right now he's cutting the pipes, preparing, and I hope we'll put this back together before inspector show up. Done. So this is wrong. Gotta be long sleeve, both sides, not like short one. This is short one.
Okay, well, for the past hour, that young crew did 3 walls with my help. All different, balloon walls, 9-foot walls, and it's pretty good for these guys. So hopefully, after a few frames, they will be doing it on their own. Right now, people like this, we can live unsupervised. That's why today we decided to train the new people. There are a couple of guys working only for 2-3 months, and it's time for them to make the next step. So
it looks like I noticed that they were new to the concept of having all the material on the actual spot versus...
Yes, because they're still in process of learning how to read the layout. So when they learn how to read layout, it will be easier for them to put the material in the right spots.
So you're saying, because I noticed they're like cutting material not on the floor. You were saying get all the material, put it on the floor
That's
first.
correct.
That's step one.
That's correct, because it's a raised floor, number one. If it would be flat, easier to walk, no problem, but you need to bring all the material close to the place you walk.
Yeah.
Then you don't have to run a lot.
So they don't run back and forth.
That is correct. So we're trying to make them to be more organized and more efficient. But they're doing good.
Okay.
We'll get there.